Good day. You've all heard the saying that a picture is worth 1,000 words. It's no less true when it comes to your business information. A picture of your information can be even more valuable than knowing your numbers. An example of this is if we look at a reservoir, for instance, where you have some water in it, and it's important to know how much water is in the reservoir. Now, reservoirs are measured in percentages, so typically if I say a reservoir is 80% full, it means we've got enough water. But what if the reservoir is 10% full? Are we heading towards a problem, or are we coming back from a problem? So I'll need something more to tell me what this 10% means. Now, typically on a reservoir, we'll show if it's going up to 10% or if it's going down from 10%, which will give me a better picture of if I'm busy losing water or busy recovering from a major loss. The same thing happens if we start drawing graphs. Now, graphs is a tool that people have used extensively, but often for the wrong reasons. A graph is there to show you progress over time. So if I'm saying that this month I've improved my sales figures, compared to last month, does that mean I'm actually doing good, or does it mean I'm doing poorly? If I've got a graph that shows me my sales figures for the whole of last year, then I can know, am I improving? Is it a record month? Is it improving from a bad season? Where are we standing at the sales at the moment? But a graph is not the be-all and end-all. You can't put everything on a graph. If I go to an ATM and I want to see my balance, it's not going to help me too much if they give me a graph of my expenses for the last month. I want to see the number. So sometimes a graph is not the best thing to use. But there's various other things that you can use to display your data better. If I, for instance, want to compare two products to each other, so I've got a PlayStation and an Xbox, I want to compare the two together. Putting that on a graph is not going to help me much. What I would rather want is a table showing the features and comparing the features one by one next to each other. So there a table will be better. If I want to analyze the amount of accidents in a specific area, I will probably plot those accidents on a map and see where all the dots come together and know that is my accident-prone zone or my high accident zone. So every type of data must be given to you in a format that makes it possible for you to make a decision, a quick decision on the spot. Now, a typical example that we're all familiar with is the dashboard of your car. So a dashboard of a car is not designed like that by accident. I am able to see the state of my car with a glance because I'm not really wanting to look away from the road too often. So at a quick glance, I can see exactly what's going on with my car. If there's any important information that I probably won't look at all the time, like my fuel gauge, so if I run low on fuel, there'll be a warning light that pops up. That'll warn me my fuel is running low. So it's designed so that I can see the most information in the shortest amount of time so that I can make a quick decision and make the right decision. And that is why you want to put your data in different formats and in the right format for that type of data. So here's my challenge for you this week. For the next day, look at all the information that you work with on that day, or the critical information you need to see on that day, be it profit figures, be it sales figures, be it budgets, whatever it might be, and think of the different formats and what format will actually work best for that kind of data. Thank you very much.